I have headphones in now. Now let's get this game started. This is my first video of this, and haven't fucking touched it. So, I mean, I touched it a little bit today earlier, but I didn't get any progress. So, let's change it to solo. Play. So as you can tell, I got nothing done on here. I'm sick, and this is on the same day I posted my for the personalization video. I did not sound as sick before, but I do now. Because of the fact that I had like Tylenol or some shit. So, and it's in the middle of the night time, and that stuff's supposed to keep you up at night. So I'm not doing that. Well, it's not really the middle of night per se, but you know what I mean. Like, it's getting late in the day, and I don't want to deal with that stuff. But I figured I'd get a video of this in, because I'm thinking of doing this with some of my friends. And it might be interesting, honestly. Hopefully. That one might get edited, though. This one won't, because I don't know, because just funny. Let's figure out a good spot to jump out real quick. I want to be away from everyone, obviously. But I still want to be able to get some good loot, so... Yo. Emu. Oh. So that, I'm assuming, can be used for... I know I want all this juice shit, though. Armor. Let's take the skunk bombs. They might be more useful, honestly. So I want this shit. Bruh. Bruh, I was just picking up a new weapon. Dude. Okay, well. Let's not stay. Let's see what I can get quick. Customize guns. Shop. Not buying no DLC shit, bruh. Okay. What the fuck do I do for? I don't want that anyways. I'm going with this dude. No fucking clue what the whole shop thing's about, but don't expect this video to be like long. Honestly, I'm not good at this game, at least not yet, so give me a break. Pie of the Tiger, huh? Ha, 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 ha. Super Animal World. Catitude? Bruh. 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 Oh, fucker. Bruh. Okay. Bruh. You asshole. I got my first kill finally. Let's go. Before, me and my friend just kept on dying from the storm because we didn't know how the fuck this game worked. Okay. I got one kill to my name. Yeah, low battery. I gotta go plug this fucking thing in. There we go. Bruh, I just fucking landed. How did you get all that shit so fucking quick, dude? Ransackers. Okay. Playing a random online match, so... Fuck you. I like choosing violence, it's funny that way. Bruh. Okay. So I'm in a safe area as of current. I'm going to go pause my TV quick because I don't know if you guys can hear that. There we go. The boots have to do something. Oh no. I am going to die. Bruh. Super skunk gas killed you. What place was I? Oh, I was the 17th person. I guess that's not too bad, I guess. Didn't kill anybody though, which is kind of saddening. Let's see here. Probably do like 5 more rounds. Call it a night. Call it good, yeah. I think one of the main things you want is to fill up on stuff like the healing shit, but also get like a good weapons to deal damage right away. Instead of going for like armor and stuff, like armor should probably be your last priority, I think. That's just me. At least of what I'm guessing. Because of the idea of the whole thing is that you're trying to be the last one standing, but I think weapons and healing is a big necessity, maybe. I don't know. I don't get the whole gist of this. I never got into shit like Fortnite, so it's fun when you have other people to play with, I can say that much. It's kind of like how Overwatch isn't fun unless you have people. So I'm thinking of maybe doing this with people I know, but yeah. Yep. It's fucking cold. I gotta put on my heater. Well, while that's loading, I'm gonna go turn on my heater real quick. Yeah, you guys can hear my heater, sorry. You want to go to a spot that has good weapons, good ammo, or at least some type of weapon right away, like that. I'll take those. Normal. Bruh. Should I kill somebody at least? No. Super DNA magnet. What do I want, huh? Huh? What does the magnet do? So I guess I'll be getting that for 3 games, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. But okay. I think the Skull Cat's my favorite one currently. I only got like 5 of them, but I think that this one's gonna stay my favorite because Skull Cat. Well, thing is, check out featured in video. No, check out all the video stuff that's in the recommendeds and all like the featured channels shit on my YouTube channel. That's all good. Check out Splunker VODs. Check out Splunker Podcasts on Twitch. My dudes. I don't have, you know, you're a dick. You're a dick. But yeah, no, and check out all the other stuff, like, hopefully you guys enjoy this shit. I'm trying my best here, to make, ow, fuck, dude. I slammed my knee on my desk. Ow. Anyways, no, but hopefully you guys are enjoying it, I guess. I am making this video. It's gonna be a quick and small one, I guess, but I think my favorite one currently is my depersonalization playlist. You'll not notice that many videos, but I think my favorite things to record is my Pokemon Showdown, but I have not posted any of that recently because it's all still getting edited. It's gonna take a bit, but all in all, like, this game's lovely, honestly. I think it would be funner though with more people, because just better, I guess. That's just me. I have people to play it with, just that none of them are awake as of this moment. Ooh, level 3. That has to be good, I guess. I would assume so anyways. Why is there laser? Oh, they have a different type of laser gun. Mine was gonna take forever, so I was just using the rifle. Bruh. You know, I'll just stick with the blue suit, okay? Got like, I'm gonna do 3 more games to call it quits. I figured I'd try the game out. So, no fucking clue what's going on, but... You guys are wondering why why the OBS stuff pops up on the depersonalization videos, by the way. My hotkeys aren't working for some reason, so I have to exit and go in, and I don't edit my streams because some of the stuff when I'm on the OBS thingy as exiting, it's some of the stuff that's me entering or some shit, or sometimes I'm saying stuff as I'm doing it, so I kind of just left that stuff in there, I guess. Sadly. But yeah. How y'all already using guns? Oh. I understand why people just hop off right away. I was them, I'd want to be furthest away from people. Bruh. I don't know why you didn't grab that gun when you had the opportunity, but okay. I wouldn't have even given me the chance, dude. Like the skunk bombs better anyways. Take. Okay. Okay, so you can definitely tell somebody's been here. Yeah, you go your own way, bitch. I don't know what's all considered good in this. Bruh. Bruh. Okay. Well, you got whatever I had, I guess. I don't care. Two more games, guys. Two more games. Two more games. Two more games. Again, no clue what I'm doing. Probably just like a... I don't know. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing on this game, honestly. Like, again, never fucking played this. Except for literally earlier today. And never figured out the whole fucking shit of it, so... Just try this. What happens? I just slam my body really hard on the ground. Nothing. Bruh. How'd they kill me? I was shooting them. Oh, whatever. One more game, I guess. Again, I'm not good at it just yet, and also I'm kind of by myself, so I mean... It's kind of iffy, I guess. Oh, the bear. Okay, yeah, so that's kind of funny. One of the bears has a Jason mask on the fountain. Whatever. I know it sounds like I'm out of it, but it's not what I'm trying to do. Which, as I said, I'm sick. It's late in the day. It's iffy, I guess. You know, dumb shit like that. It would be nuts if I ended up actually getting good at the game, though. That would be crazy. This is the last game, though. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Sorry I keep on dying so much again, as I said. Brand new at the damn game. No fucking clue. Five, four, three, two, one. Nope. Nope. Taking the bananas, because why not? Oh, Magnum. Cash? There's a cash. Take it, I guess. Better than nothing. You can eat the coconuts, really? I don't know which one's better, and I really don't care, honestly. Oh, I do have armor, I guess. Okay. Okay, there's 25 people remaining. It's tape, huh? Oh, whatever. I made it in top 15, so I'm happy. Okay. But hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. I gotta make the thumbnail later, and then I'm going to post this up on YouTube. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this. And as I said, sorry if it wasn't entertaining. Not that good at the game.